We are in Caldy in the Wirral in the UK, not far from Liverpool. I would like to show you a gorgeous, fantastic Kilimanjaro Standard hot tub that we purchased about 6-7 weeks ago from Wellis, Liverpool. The part of our entertainment area, our Kilimanjaro Standard is, I'd say, probably the most important feature at the moment. We are a family with 2 young boys, so obviously getting a hot tub was a huge excitement for everybody, including our boys, and myself probably the most as well. We have had it for, I'd say, for about 6 weeks now. It has been installed a couple of weeks ago, so we have really been enjoying it for last 2-3 weeks. So it's mostly been children for now, but my husband and myself managed to get in it a few times as well and enjoy the surroundings and relax with a glass of wine. Installation process was very easy, very simple. Our hot tub was delivered without any delay. And yes, and the whole installation, and obviously we had to use our electrician to connect the hot tub, but it was very straightforward, not as complicated as we thought it was going to be. When it comes to maintenance, I thought it was going to be very complicated, but it's very straightforward. We received clear instructions with all the chemicals that we needed, with all the instructions of how to use it. We test once a week for the chlorine. We have to we put whatever needs to be put in the water to keep it clean and clear. So it's absolutely hassle-free. Actually, everybody's very keen to do a little bit of maintenance, especially children, because it's 1 teaspoon of this, 1 teaspoon of that. So it's actually adds a little bit of fun, especially for children, supervised, of course. We would definitely recommend Kilimanjaro for anybody who is looking into buying a hot tub, to families, to couples. I think something that I've not mentioned, the hydro massage, is something that both myself and husband really appreciate when children are not occupying the hot tub, of course. Yes, it's a great product. Maintenance is very easy. Installation was straightforward, and Wellis Liverpool were fantastic throughout the purchase process.